Guys, it's me, Miss Norris, and today I'd like to do a short drawing activity with you called Yes You Can Draw a Spoon and a Fork, because yes, you can draw a spoon and a fork, and today I'm going to show you how in some very easy to follow steps. All you're going to need is something to write on. Today I'm going to be using my dry erase board, and something to write with. Today I'm going to be using my dry erase marker. If you're ready to get started, I'm ready to show you. Let's begin. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make an upside down U. We're going to start with the spoon. So we're going to make an upside down U, and you're almost going to close it, but not. Then you're going to get it pretty close to closed, and then you're going to make one long line down and another long line down. And then you're going to kind of make another U at the bottom and connect it to the top. But that's just a regular spoon, and you know me, we have a friendly spoon here. So what we're going to do is right in the middle of the spoon, we're going to act like that's our spoon's face. And I'm going to go ahead and draw two circles and give them some little pupils. And you could give them some eyebrows and a little U for a nose. And if you've done any drawing videos with me in the past, you know that any time I spend drawing with you is a time that makes me very happy. So I'm going to put a nice happy face on my spoon. And we're almost done. I'm going to go ahead and add a little arm just by making one long line and then following that line. And then I'm going to make another U and another U so that we have a little hand. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just one line, almost like a 7, and then another line that follows that, and then a U and a U. And there you have it. We have a happy little spoon that can go on many, many adventures with possibly their friend the fork. And I'm going to show you how to make a fork now too. A fork starts off very similarly to the spoon. We're going to start off with a U, okay? And then we're going to make 4 spikes right here. Down, up, down, up, down, up. And there we have the top part of our fork. And then just like the spoon, we're going to make a long line down, another long line down, and then a U that closes at the bottom. We can go ahead and add the same kind of little arms with a U and a U. On the other side too, backward, a little 7, follow your line, a U and a U. And we can't give our spoon a face if we don't give our fork a face. So let's go ahead and use this area inside. I might erase this little bit right there. That's up to you. You can keep it. You can erase it. It really is up to you. I'm going to draw some little eyes and some pupils. I gave the spoon some eyebrows, but I think I'm going to give my fork some little eyelashes. And I'm going to use a little U for the nose. And again, a great big smile. Now I really like the fork because it looks like the tines of the fork. That's the little pokey parts. Each pokey part is called a tine. Each tine looks like a little hairdo on our fork. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, a fork and a spoon. And yes, you can draw a fork and a spoon. I hope that you try and draw a spoon and a fork on your own. Use your creativity and imagination. Think about where a spoon and a fork might like to go. They could go just about anywhere. I see spoons and forks all over the place. But what if your spoon and fork came alive? Where would they go on their own? Think about that. I hope you guys really had a good time. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button at the bottom of the page. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much. Your support really means a lot to me. If you are not a subscriber yet, click the subscribe button down here at the bottom of the page. And don't forget to click the bell so that you're notified when there's new content. I hope everyone has a really great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.